From space, Earth's most striking feature is its shimmering blue, water, the lifeblood of our planet. This blue expanse is what sets our world apart in the vastness of the solar system, a beacon of vitality visible from millions of miles away. Water is the cradle of life, shaping landscapes and sustaining every living thing, from the tiniest insect to the largest whale. It carves canyons, nourishes forests, and fills the oceans with a dazzling array of creatures, each dependent on its flow. It flows through plants and our own bodies, making life possible. Every cell, every breath, every heartbeat relies on water's presence, connecting all living things in a silent, vital network. Without water, forests would wither, fields would go barren, and life would vanish. The absence of water brings silence and emptiness, a stark reminder of its irreplaceable role. Our planet is a water world, animated by water's endless cyclical journey. Rivers wind through continents, clouds gather and release rain, and the dance of water shapes every ecosystem. The same water dinosaurs drank millions of years ago may fall as rain on us today. Water is ancient, constantly recycled, linking us to the distant past and to every living thing that ever was. This cycle drives our climate, connecting mountain peaks to ocean trenches. It shapes weather, nourishes valleys, and sustains the delicate balance of life across the globe. Yet while water covers most of Earth, only a tiny fraction is fresh and accessible. Most is locked away in oceans or ice, leaving just a sliver for all people, plants, and animals to share. The water in our rivers, lakes, and aquifers is precious and limited. These sources are the foundation of our communities, our food, and our very survival. Understanding and protecting this resource is essential for our future. Our actions today will determine whether clean water remains abundant for generations to come. The story of water is the story of life, and it's up to us to write its next chapter. By cherishing and safeguarding water, we ensure the ongoing vitality of our planet and all who call it home. The journey of water begins with evaporation. Sunlight energizes ocean surfaces, warming them and setting the stage for a remarkable transformation. This energy sends water molecules skyward as invisible vapor, lifting them from the surface into the air above. Evaporation isn't limited to oceans. It happens everywhere. Lakes, rivers, even the smallest puddles, and the morning dew on grass. Through transpiration, plants act as living fountains, releasing water vapor from their leaves and stems into the atmosphere. The air around us, even on the driest days, is filled with this invisible moisture, quietly drifting and mixing above our heads. Winds sweep this water vapor across continents and oceans, redistributing it globally and connecting distant places through the atmosphere. This invisible stage is the precursor to every drop of rain, every snowflake, and every storm that shapes our world. The sun's energy lifts trillions of tons of water each year, powering our weather systems and fueling the endless cycle of renewal. When vapor cools and condenses high above, it releases energy, fueling storms, shaping climate, and creating the clouds we see. Evaporation is more than a change of state. It's a transfer of power, a silent force that drives our world and sustains life. Every cloud, every storm, every gentle rain begins with this silent ascent from earth to sky. The water cycle's first step is a global engine, quietly at work, connecting oceans, land, and sky in a never-ending dance. As water vapor rises from lakes, rivers, and oceans, it begins a remarkable journey through the atmosphere. Carried upward by warm air currents, the vapor gradually cools as it ascends higher into the sky. As it cools, the vapor condenses onto tiny particles suspended in the air, dust, pollen, or even microscopic sea salt. These particles act as the invisible seeds around which droplets can form. This transformation from invisible gas to visible droplets is what creates clouds, turning the sky into a canvas of ever-changing shapes and textures. Clouds are not just fluffy shapes drifting overhead, They're vast, dynamic masses of water and ice, constantly shifting, merging, and evolving as they move across the sky. From delicate, wispy cirrus clouds to towering thunderheads that signal storms, each cloud is a testament to the water cycle in action and the atmosphere's endless creativity. A single cumulus cloud can hold hundreds of tons of water, suspended high above us, floating effortlessly despite its weight. Within these clouds, countless droplets collide and merge, growing larger and heavier with each encounter, building up the potential for rain. When the droplets become too heavy to remain suspended, gravity takes over, pulling them earthward. The cloud releases its burden, rain, snow, sleet, or hail, returning water to the surface in a dramatic display of nature's power. This is the moment water returns to Earth, soaking into the soil, nourishing plants, and filling rivers and streams, ready to begin its journey anew. The making of a cloud is a delicate balance of temperature, moisture, and particles, all working together in harmony to shape our weather and climate. Clouds are the sky's travelers, carrying water across continents and oceans, connecting distant places through the endless cycle of evaporation and precipitation. Eventually, they release their precious cargo, setting the stage for life-giving precipitation that sustains ecosystems everywhere. And so, the cycle continues, uniting sky and earth in a dance as old as time, shaping the world we know. When clouds release their water, precipitation falls, rain, snow, sleet, or hail, replenishing Earth's surface. Some water returns directly to oceans and lakes, but much lands on soil and plants. Water seeps into the ground, nourishing roots or replenishing underground aquifers. On hills and mountains, runoff gathers into streams and rivers, carving valleys and building habitats. Rivers act as Earth's circulatory system, channeling water back to the sea. Along the way, they create fertile floodplains and support diverse life. Eventually, all water finds its way to the ocean, where the cycle begins again. The water cycle is a continuous loop, sustaining life on our blue planet. Every drop's journey shapes the world around us. Clean, fresh water is essential for health, civilization, and nature itself. It prevents disease, supports thriving communities, and is a fundamental human right. Pristine rivers teem with life, but pollution from industry, agriculture, and sewage can devastate ecosystems. Pollutants travel downstream, accumulating in food chains and threatening wildlife and humans alike. The health of water reflects the health of the land. Wetlands filter pollutants, forests provide clean water, and healthy ecosystems keep the water cycle functioning. When water is polluted, we harm the systems that sustain us. Protecting clean water is protecting the entire web of life. Our future depends on keeping this vital resource pure. Water is woven into every part of our daily lives, often unnoticed. While we use it for drinking and cleaning, most water goes to agriculture and industry. Growing food and making products require vast amounts of water, straining resources in many regions. Every meal and object has a hidden water footprint. Industry uses water for cooling, cleaning, and manufacturing, sometimes polluting it in return. Our choices as consumers impact water far beyond our homes. Recognizing this connection is the first step to responsible stewardship. Every action, from what we eat to what we buy, shapes the future of water. We must become conscious consumers to protect this life-sustaining resource. The fate of water rests in our hands, but solutions are within reach. Simple acts, turning off taps, fixing leaks, choosing shorter showers, add up to real conservation. Supporting sustainable businesses and mindful food choices can drive change. Advocating for better water policies and protecting natural ecosystems strengthens our water future. Education is key. Teaching the next generation to value and protect water ensures lasting stewardship. Let's share the story of water as a call to action, not despair. Our planet's water cycle is resilient and beautiful, but it needs our care. By protecting water, we protect all life. This is our promise to the future, a commitment to keep Earth's blue heart beating. Let us be guardians of the blue, ensuring water's journey continues for generations to come.